Okay, today we're going to learn how to put some page numbers on a Word document. This one doesn't have any page numbers currently, but it does use the styles within the document. I can tell that by looking at if I go to View and to Navigation pane, I can see that the headings are used right over here. So they've used styles within the document, which is going to help this particular document. Okay. To put the page numbers in, you're going to double click in the area of the footer or the header, and it opens up a new tab at the top called Header and Footer. And we are going to go to the far left-hand side, and there's this one that says page number. Going to click on the caret, the V looking item, and go down to the current position because that's where I want the page number to be. There, I'm just going to choose plain number because it's just the easiest way to do it most of the time. And you can see it put 1-1 in here for me. The reason it has both of those instead of just page 1 is that this is chapter 1 in this document, and it uses a heading for that chapter. I'm going to right click on it so I can show you where we format the page numbers. This includes the chapter number. So if I uncheck this box, it's going to take the 1 and the dash away. So I'm going to say okay. And now you can see it's just number 1. But because this document has chapters, I do want to leave that in there. So I'm going to right click, choose Format Page Numbers, include my chapter number, and I get to choose what styles separator I want to use right here. I can use a period, a colon, and a long dash, or just a regular hyphen, which is what I use most of the time. And then I want to start the page numbering on each chapter at 1. We'll say OK. You see it says 1-1. So this document there's 1-2. And then on the next section, there's chapter 2, page 1. Chapter 2, page 2. Chapter 2, page 3. Went by that one a little fast. All the way through this document till we get to the appendix. And we're going to go down here to the appendix. Chapter 8, chapter 9, chapter 10. Okay, so here's our appendix. On this, we actually want the page number to say A-1 because it's Appendix A. If you noticed, all of these already have the chapter written, the footer, the page numbers on there, just because they are linked to the previous section. Each section is different. So if we go, this one is section 13, that one was 12. And then this one is chapter 13 or section 13. And it does not have the page numbers on it because it is not linked to the previous one. So we're going to have to add this page number here. We're going to go to page number, current position, plain number, and it automatically put A-1 in there because I've had it in there previously, so it knows what to put in there. Again, we're using right click, format page number, and this chapter starts with heading 6 because the appendix numbers are using heading 6 in the style. And we start at 1, okay. And it just puts it in there automatically because it's linked to the previous. Well, this one's A2, so it's the same section. Section 13, then we're going to section 14, See, it's same as previous, even though it's different, but the section knows that the page numbers are the same. And that's all it is to it. Thank you for listening.